This is a video on how to fix scoring report errors. The age and gender is missing, or there's more than 20 problem items missing. So once you logged into our program and you're getting ready to score, but you're getting errors, for example, this one I have for Jacob Martin, and the informant is Tessa Martin. I'm going to click on Score Report. And it says more than 20 problem items are missing. You're going to close out of the report. You're going to click on Key Entry to open the form. Go to the Problem Items section and see there's some missing. So again, with ASEBA Web, you would need to contact the informant and go through the missing questions with the informant, because with ASEBA Web, you're not able to send this form back to the informant once they have submitted it back into the program. And you would have to do the same with ASEBA PC or ASEBA Network. You still have to get a hold of the person to have them fill out the information that was missing on the paper. And with ASEBA PC and ASEBA Network, you still would need to get a hold of the informant and go through the missing questions with them. Then once you have filled all these out, you're going to click Save and Close, and you're going to rescore. And so for the age and gender error, I have here Jacob Martin with Michelle Martin as the informant. I try to score the report, and it comes up with age and gender is missing. So you would close out of the report, highlight the form that has the error, click on Key Entry, and usually on the first page, like with this CBCL, you need to fill in the gender, the child's age, or the child's date of birth. You need at least the gender and the age, or the gender and the date of birth. You save and close, and then you can rescore that form. There. This has been a video on how to fix age and gender error and missing 20 problem items error for scoring reports.